Hello, this is Mark from FreedomGorilla, and today we're going to be covering the hottest new optic, the Holosun EPS and EPS carry. In this video, we'll discuss the different options you can find in the EPS line, how they compare to the K series, and what you should consider when buying one. The hardest to find Holosun optic is here at FreedomGorilla, so we wanted to take a deep dive and explore the different options of the EPS optics. Essentially, Holosun's EPS line boils down to different sizes and reticles, and those features affect the overall price. There's a full-sized EPS optic and then the smaller EPS called the carry. The full size, as you can imagine, is for full-size pistols, and the carry is for smaller subcompact pistols. Although both do have the same footprint, so you could put a full-size EPS on a smaller pistol and vice versa if you wanted to. Speaking of footprints, both have the same footprint as the Holosun K series, so if you wanted to upgrade your 407K or 507K, you wouldn't have to worry if it fits. Other differences include what style of reticle you want to have. There are options for just a 2 MOA dot or just a 6 MOA dot, or you could get the multi-reticle system. The multi-reticle system features the standard 2 MOA dot plus 32 MOA ring, or it just has the 2 MOA dot option, or just the 32 MOA ring in that order. If you choose the multi-reticle system option, you also get solar failsafe. The solar failsafe uses a dual power system of the solar cell and an internal CR1620 battery. The battery can power the device up to 12,000 hours on a circle dot or 50,000 hours on a dot only on setting 6. This means the battery can stay on for 500 days straight using the circle dot and 2,083 days using just the dot. And quick note here is this is a CR1620 battery, whereas most of Holosun's other optics are 1632. So if you've stocked up on backup batteries, add a CR1620 battery to your stockpile. All reticle options are available in red and green, so there's plenty of ways to mix and match exactly what you'd want in an optical, which is great in my opinion. But take note that all the different options result in different price points as well. If you want just a dot, it'll be cheaper than the multi-reticle system. If you want red instead of green, that'll be cheaper too. And of course, the EPS versus the carry will also affect the price. Other features include the shake-awake technology, which turns the optic on after you pick up your pistol, and it'll also automatically turn off after 10 minutes of no motion. The housing is made of aircraft-grade 775 T6 aluminum, and most importantly, it features the lowest deck height, so you can use standard height iron sights on many pistol models. It looks like the carry also has an integrated rough rear sight notch where the standard EPS does not. And for brightness levels, it has 8 daylight and 4 night vision compatible, which is 2 more night vision modes than Holosun's other pistol optics. Now as far as dimensions go, here's the difference in the overall size, weight, and window size. We'll start with the EPS. So the EPS is 1.62 by 1.19 by 0.99. It is 1.4 ounces, and the window size is 0.63 by 0.91. The carry is 1.62 by 1.07 by 0.95. It's only 1 ounce, and its window size is 0.58 by 0.77. So it appears that the EPS weighs 0.4 ounces more, is wider and taller, and it obviously has a bigger window size. To me, it seems like the deciding factors would be window size, desired reticle, and overall cost. Personally, I'm going to go with a 6 MOA green carry for my Beretta APX-A1 carry because I like the 6 MOA better than the 2 MOA, and really it all comes down to your personal preference though. Next, I want to take a look at how the carry compares to a 507K, and it seems like the biggest difference is the EPS carry is an enclosed emitter, and the 507K is an open emitter. Essentially, that means that the EPS has a hood and an extra lens, and that's to prevent rain, snow, or even lint from blocking the emitter and causing it to not display the dot properly. So we'll start with the 507K dimensions. They are 1.6 by 0.98 by 0.95. It also weighs 1 ounce, and the window size is 0.58 by 0.77. Honestly, it's pretty similar. The window size is exactly the same. The weight is the same. The carry is just slightly bigger. So between the two, it really comes down to, do you want the extra features the EPS carries, like the solar failsafe and enclosed emitter? As of right now, the EPS and carry are extremely hard to come across. I've heard that Holosun ramped up supply so that they should be easier to find pretty soon. But as for now, you can check out FreedomGorilla.com and reach out to us if you have any questions on them. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade your 407 or 507K to the new EPS line too.